Hello, welcome to 2025. Hope you've all had a good festive period. So we've got a nice little job to start off the new year with. We've got number one customer's Bale Spike in for repair. As you can see, there's a bit of damage on there. So we're going to need to cut this piece out and replace it. Got my little pop-up bench here, so that'll do. Let's get started. We've got a bit of a twist going on here, so I've taken a measurement off the tractor between the two centres for the 3-point linkage. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this lot off, get it out of the way. Then I can cut these linkage points off and weld them back onto the new bit in the right place, hopefully. So that's it all dismantled. Get on now and grind these up, clean everything up, ready to weld it back together. This is a new piece I'm putting in, and it's got a 6mm wall thickness, so it's quite a bit stronger than that old piece. So that should be good enough. It'll last a while anyway. I think it'll outlast this bit. I've lifted the bench up a bit, so I've got the spike sticking straight down. I've measured the centre here, so I can get a couple of tack welds on, check if it's square, it's already somewhere near. Yeah, check if it's square, and then I can get that welded up. Just check that for square now. Yeah. Near enough for farm work. Get a couple of more tacks on it. Put the earth on, you fool. How long have you been doing this? Okay. Still square. That'll do then. So that's one pass right round it, but I'm going to put another couple of runs on there, I think, just to strengthen it up a bit. This new box section will be strong enough, but that old, it's a bit thinner, so it'll get a bit better hold. I'll just make it a bit stronger if I put maybe 3 passes on there. So that's it with 3 passes on. Yeah, I think that should do. This is going to be the weak part, the old steel, but I think that's going to be good enough. Well, it'll have to be anyway. Well, that's it, all welded back together. I put 3 runs of weld on everything, so that should be strong enough. That's it, ready to go back to work. That's a bit agricultural, that weld, but to be fair, it hasn't failed. Well, that's it done. Just a short video to start the year off. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.